Hi, my name is Lieutenant Commander Miller. I'm a Supply and Habitability Inspector with the Board of Inspection and Survey. I'm going to take you through some inspection discrepancies that we commonly find on Navy ships. This is the top of a Navy refrigerator unit, which has a light cover over the light bulb. The light is in op, but the light cover is in place. Typically, we do not see light covers on there, which is a safety hazard. It's a Pry 2 safety. You inspect for gaskets, shelving. Here's your internal thermostat, your external thermostat. Make sure they match. 32 to 41 degrees. You got it written on the outside on the operating instructions. Now this is a really easy fix. There's a light bulb missing and the cover to the light bulb missing. This is inside a refrigerator unit, which you're going to have moisture and condensation building up with exposed terminals to where the light goes. We commonly find light bulbs missing, light covers missing. Now, this is a fan coil unit compressor. As you can see, the maintenance hasn't been done. It's covered with thick dust and dirt particles, which will eventually overheat the compressor and fail the unit.